UNii innovated security that grows with you. The UNii is modular and suitable for every project. From residential to retail, banks and large installations, the UNii fits all. A unique feature is the use of only one hardware. The UNii can be upgraded to the project size. Via the cloud solution, an UNii online panel can be real-time upgraded. If the customer needs more inputs, just expand the panel and prevent the expensive replacement of hardware. For the installer, using the UNii with only one hardware results in less stock in the warehouse and the technician's van, always the availability of the right spare parts and less training hours. One of the key features of the UNii is the design. The UNii is specifically designed to save time during installation and service. Due to the design of the cabinet, it can easily be mounted without placing extra spacers. Cables and pipes can be placed behind the cabinet. With these conveniences, we strive to make a more smooth and quick installation process. All UNii hardware is Grade 3 certified and therefore suitable for every project. The UNii can be upgraded to fit to the project. Using one hardware is very cost-effective and will lower the stock and increase the availability. Visit unisecurity.com for more information.